Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! Liam here with Crypto Gains HD, bringing you today's hot XRP news. I've got some exciting developments to share that could significantly impact our favorite cryptocurrency in the coming weeks. Breaking news today, Ripple Labs has just made another massive escrow transaction, locking up 700 million XRP tokens valued at over 1.5 billion. This strategic move by Ripple continues their pattern of controlled token release, which helps manage XRP's circulating supply and potentially stabilizes its market value. Speaking of value, XRP has been showing some resilience in the market recently. Just yesterday, on May 1st, XRP gained about 0.95%, partially recovering from Wednesday's 2.12% drop. The token closed at $2.127, currently trading around $2.22. While this performance was slightly under the broader crypto market, it's still a positive sign amidst the current market conditions. Now, let's talk about what's really got the XRP community buzzing. ETF developments. Bloomberg analysts have dramatically increased their confidence in an XRP ETF approval, putting the probability at a staggering 85% chance of approval in 2025. That's a significant jump from their previous estimate of 65% just 2 months ago. The landscape has completely changed following leadership transitions at the SEC, with Eric Balchunas, senior analyst at Bloomberg, stating that the leadership change at the SEC has completely changed the game. This sentiment is reflected across the market, with the prediction platform Polymarket showing approval odds before year-end rising from 63% to 80% in just 1 week. Major players aren't waiting around either. We've seen applications from heavyweight asset managers including Grayscale, 21 Shares, WisdomTree, Bitwise, Canary, and Franklin Templeton, all looking to launch spot XRP ETFs. This institutional interest signals growing confidence in XRP's regulatory standing. However, there was a slight delay announced recently. The SEC has extended its review period for Franklin Templeton's spot XRP ETF application, pushing the decision deadline from May 3rd to June 17th, 2025. The regulator stated they need additional time to consider the proposed rule change filed by CBOE BZX Exchange for listing and trading shares of the Franklin XRP fund. Looking at price predictions for May, analysts are divided but generally optimistic. Some technical analysts are suggesting XRP could be poised for a potential 35% rally, which would push it toward the $3 mark, a significant milestone. Meanwhile, analysts on social media believe XRP's uptrend has only just begun, with some even calling for ambitious price targets around $7.45 based on extended Fibonacci levels. On-chain metrics are giving us mixed signals. Data shows that active addresses on the XRP ledger have dropped, currently hovering around 22,000, which is significantly lower than the peak of around 110,000 we saw during the rally after Donald Trump's victory. Monthly transaction volume has remained relatively stable at around 15.82 billion for April, showing a slight drop of 1.43% compared to March. Despite these fluctuations, the market dominance of XRP has risen to 4.398%, making it the fourth most valuable cryptocurrency globally. This is particularly impressive considering the overall market volatility we've been experiencing. The NUPL, Net Unrealized Profit Loss indicator for XRP, stands at 0.73, placing it in what analysts call the belief denial stage of the market cycle. This has risen from 0.68 3 weeks ago, suggesting that long-term XRP holders are seeing larger paper gains. We're approaching a critical moment where either a continuation of the uptrend or a correction could emerge. I should mention that some experts predict that a future spot ETF could potentially drive up to 100 billion in capital inflows into XRP. That's a tremendous amount that could dramatically affect prices if it materializes. So what's the takeaway? May 2025 could be a pivotal month for XRP with these major catalysts lining up. With institutional interest growing, regulatory decisions pending, and technical indicators at interesting levels, both sharp rallies and corrections remain firmly on the table. That's all for today's XRP News Update. If you found this information valuable, please smash that like button and subscribe to Crypto Gains HD. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our daily crypto insights. Share this video with fellow XRP enthusiasts, and I'll see you back here tomorrow with another market update. This is Liam signing off. Keep holding strong.